Now let us take a situational question. Here HR has asked this question. Suppose there is a difficult employee in your organization. He comes late. He goes for long lunches. He gossips. He's on the phone all the time. He's wasting time. So how are you going to handle this kind of employee or this kind of staff? Now when you are going to answer this question, what should be your approach? So what you will say to the HR is, sir, I'll try to find out whether the problem is an attitude problem or whether it is an emotional problem. Because whenever these kind of problems are there, only then people behave in a particular way. I will not confront him. I'll try to find out what are the reasons why he is behaving this way. Was there some problem with the previous boss so that this person has become an arrogant person and he wants to show his importance by doing all these things? Or whether there is some domestic problem or there is a family issue. I'll find out the problem from any source possible. And then I will voluntarily go to him, talk to him, discuss with him his issues, his problems, and then emotionally get connected with him. I know when we touch an emotional chord, we easily get connected. So I'll just get connected with him, get involved with him, and try to understand the problem from his point of view. And if possible, try to give him the best solution and then slowly try to bring him into the organization. I have to address his ego first. And when the ego is addressed and when he is involved emotionally, then he will be ready to do whatever is asked from him. तो अगर आपसे ये सवाल पूछा जाता है कि अगर आपकी संस्था में आपके साथ कोई ऐसा इंसान है जो देर से आता है, काम नहीं करता, लंबे लंबे लंच लेता है, दिन भर फ़ोन पे रहता है, तो आप उस इंसान को किस तरह से हैंडल करेंगे? तो आपको जो उत्तर देना है, उत्तर देते समय सिर्फ यही ध्यान रखना है कि आप ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे उसे कोई मानसिकता की समस्या तो नहीं है, क्या उसे कुछ भावनात्मक समस्या तो नहीं है, वो जो पिछला बॉस था उसके साथ तो उसके कोई ईगो इश्यूज़ तो नहीं हुए थे, कोई अहंकार तो उसका नहीं आ गया था जिसकी वजह से वो इस तरह से बिहेव कर रहा है, इस तरह से व्यवहार कर रहा है, कहीं उसकी पारिवारिक समस्या तो नहीं है। मैं ये जानने की कोशिश करूँगा किसी भी तरीके से, और फिर मैं जाकर उससे ही बात करूँगा और उसको भावनात्मक रूप से इन्वॉल्व करके मैं उसकी समस्या को सुलझाने का प्रयास करूँगा, क्योंकि यही एक बेहतर चीज़ है जो मैं कर सकता हूँ और यही मैं करने की कोशिश करूँगा।